first time I thought I was the one frozen because Dawn wasn't moving either.
She doesn't move. She's like she is the word. Like she's like, oh, I'm trying to test my mic and video, and then she'll sit absolutely still, not making any noise.
Fuck you.
Like, is it working?
Yep. That's exactly what happened.
Is she still frozen or is she really imitating me still?
I think she's imitating you still. That would be hilarious.
No, she froze as she's imitating.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, she hasn't blinked in a while, so this would be impressive.
She does a really good job of playing me. Holy crap. Your acting skills, Tanya. Superb.
Oscar,
God damn.
I would have cracked by now.